10 secret flight tips and tricks airlines don't want you to know. Flying should come naturally by now, right? All these years later, you'd figure we'd have this whole flying thing figured out. But no, passengers still get caught up in overpriced airport traps, freeze in some arbitrary seat, and wonder how their suitcase got sucked into the black hole of baggage claim. Here's the reality. Airlines know a lot more than they're telling, and they aren't exactly handing out secrets with your bag of pretzels. But today, all of that changes. We're uncovering 10 of the most powerful flight tips and travel hacks that airlines would much rather you had no idea about. These are the kinds of tricks that would change the way you pack, sit, sleep, and even board a plane, and once you learn, there's no going back. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll be flying like a pro while everyone else is still fiddling with their seatbelt. Tip number 1. The inflatable neck pillow hack that most people get wrong. Let's finally settle the great neck pillow debate. You know those massive memory foam pillows people wear proudly through the terminal, knocking into strangers and dangling from their backpacks like some kind of sleepy badge of honor? Yeah, not exactly peak travel style. They take up precious space, add weight, and let's be honest, they're kind of awkward. Enter the inflatable neck pillow, small, light as a feather, and much less humiliating. They roll up tighter than a sandwich and weigh nearly nothing. But there's one important error most tourists make. They inflate them completely on the ground. Great mistake. At cruising altitude about 35,000 feet, the cabin pressure change causes the air inside to inflate. That cozy pillow? Instantly, it's a balloon about to pop. Or horrors. Actually pops. The solution? Fill your pillow only 80% full before you take off. Let the height do the rest. You'll be cozier, safer, and won't be the cause of someone waking up startled in the middle of their nap. Tip number 2. The 2 photos that could save you hundreds. Imagine this. You've just arrived after a vicious 14-hour flight. You're weary, fantasizing about soft hotel pillows and a warm shower, and suddenly it strikes. Your suitcase disappears. Now, you might stand there detailing your suitcase as black, sort of square, with a zipper. Or you can do what savvy travelers do and pull up 2 quick shots you snapped before you left. Picture 1, an unobstructed view of your full suitcase before you zip it up. If the airline queries what's in it, you've got photographic evidence. That makes making a claim for compensation or travel insurance a whole lot simpler. Picture 2. A photo of you with your suitcase, preferably in front of your house. It timestamps the location of the bag and demonstrates that it was in your ownership. Added bonus if your face appears in the photo. Bonus tip: take a photo of your luggage tag too, but never share it online. More on that later. Tip number 3. Never place your home address on a luggage tag. Placing your full home address on your luggage tag is equivalent to saying, "Hey, I'll be out of town for 2 weeks. Help yourself to everything I own." Think about it. Your name, flight number, and that your house is unoccupied are all on a tag anyone can see at check-in, baggage pickup, or if the bag gets stolen. Even if the airline issues you a paper label and asks for your address, tactfully avoid it. Give an email address or phone number instead, something practical that does not invite break-ins. Need more security? Stick a piece of paper inside your suitcase with your name, phone number, and possibly your hotel information. If the outside label is lost, your bag still has identification inside. Just don't toss in your Netflix password as an afterthought while you're at it. Tip number 4. Bring an empty water bottle, but make it a smart one. You can't bring a full water bottle through security, but you can bring an empty one. So why are people still paying $8 for bottled water at the terminal? Here's the pro tip. Pack a foldable water bottle, the ones that fold up and fit into your jacket pocket. No bulk, no inconvenience, and no frantic dashes to the water fountain while your gate is boarding. Want to upgrade? Add some electrolyte tablets or flavored beverage sachets. Airplane cabins are so dry they'll make your cactus sweat, and bathroom faucet water doesn't exactly qualify as hydration luxury. There are filtered refill stations in most airports now, so drink like a ninja and not an extortion victim of outrageous vending machines. Tip number 5. Don't just stick an air tag in, hide it like a pro. Lost bags are pretty de rigueur these days, but technology has our back. Apple AirTags are brilliant if you use them correctly. Most folks just stick them in the front pocket of their bag. That's the first place a thief will check. Instead, tuck it away securely. In a shoe, in your toiletry bag. Tape it under the lining. Somewhere a thief would never even think to look. That way, if your bag shatters on holiday without you, you'll still know where to find it in the here and now. And when the airline is all, "It's not in our system," you'll be all, "Well, mine says it's hanging out in Gate 14's staff room." Outsmart the system and everyone else in baggage claim. Still reading? Congratulations, you're officially the type of traveler who can't be fooled by $19 airport sandwiches. If this kind of travel content is your thing, subscribe. No hard feelings, just good stuff, no BS. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that like button. It does more good than you know. In the comments, tell me, what's the weirdest thing you've seen someone do on a flight? No judgment, just curiosity. Tip number 6. Email your travel documents to yourself. Phones crash. Paper documents go missing. Wi-Fi disappears. But you know what doesn't? Email. Snap pictures of your passport, Idaho, hotel confirmations, flight reservations, the whole shebang ahead of time, and email it to yourself. Then store it in a folder named Travel Backup. You can access it from any platform, even if your phone is dead or stolen. Bonus points if you forward it on to someone you know you can rely on. Even if they just play along when you innocently book a hotel in the wrong country, at least someone has your details. And if you take medications or have a medical condition, add a picture of your prescription or doctor's note. Security rarely asks, but when they do, you'll be ready. Tip number 7. Window seats are freezing cold for real. That chilly feeling in a window seat? It's not just bad air circulation. You're sitting next to the outer shell of a plane, and with outside temps around 50 degrees Celsius, those walls get seriously cold. Yes, there's insulation, but not enough to stop the cold from creeping in. Wear a scarf, sweater, or travel blanket unless you'd prefer to freeze at the midpoint of your flight. Do you have an option to stay warm altogether? Sit in the aisle seat. It's warmer and nearer to snacks. Just be careful about the shoulder-napping stranger in the middle. Tip number 8. Don't have the coffee or tea unless you like secret bacteria. That complimentary coffee or tea on the flight? It is prepared using water from the plane's onboard tanks, not filtered or bottled water. And those tanks? They don't get cleaned very often. Scientists have found E. coli and other germs bobbing around in the same water that they also use to make the hot drinks. Even the flight attendants concur. We don't drink that stuff. Alternatively, bring your own tea bags or instant coffee if you absolutely can't do without, and to bottled or canned drinks as much as possible. Plain food is bad enough. Don't include bacteria-ridden water in the mix. Tip number 9. Your boarding pass is a data leak waiting to happen. That innocent boarding pass in your bag? Worse, joyfully posted on the web with "Next Stop Paradise"? That's a risk. The QR code holds a lot more than your seat number. It can hold your whole name, flight details, booking reference, and in some cases, even access to your airline account. An evildoer could cancel your flight, change your seat, or even meddle with your reservation. So never publish your boarding pass on the internet. Don't have it protruding from your bag, and don't forget it in the seat back. Once you're done with it, bring it along. Or better yet, shred it like top secret government info, because in the wrong hands, it is. Tip number 10. Your credit card may have lounge access and no one informs you. Expect airport lounges to be the exclusive domain of CEOs or frequent flyer elites? Think again. Several credit cards such as Visa Signature, Amex Platinum, or some MasterCards provide lounge access free of charge on a global scale via schemes like Priority Pass or Lounge Key. I mean, free grub, working power outlets, quiet seating, and actual comfort while everyone else is charging their phone next to a vending machine. The thing is, most travelers don't know they have it. Flight attendants won't tell you unless you ask. So before your next flight, check your card perks. You could be sipping espresso in a lounge chair right now instead of crying into a $14 bag of M's at gate 62. And that's it. 10 airline secrets and travel hacks the industry doesn't want you to know. If you found even one tip helpful, Join up, it's free, and brings the travel smarts to you. The algorithm thinks you'll love the video on your screen right now, and it's packed with even more insider tips. Click it, continue to get smarter. And as always, safe travels, Ute.